Military wars don't benefit anybody, but the pickup truck wars, they definitely benefit the consumer. Hi, this is Joe from Way Scarff Ford, and today we're going to talk about this 2022 Ram 2500. And us being a Ford dealership, obviously, we have the competition, these lovely Ram Super Duties over here. And there's just a constant battle between the manufacturers, mainly, GM, Ram, and Ford, trying to one-up each other, making the best vehicle. Ford's had it pretty easy for the past 48 years, with the F-Series being the best-selling pickup truck in the United States. But Ram is constantly nipping at their heels, and depending on who you talk to, some may even think that the Ram is superior than the F-Series. Obviously, we don't think that here at Way Scarff Ford, but if you read some reviews by like Car and Driver magazine, the automotive press, the Ram gets high grades. And one thing that they love about the Ram is the amazing Cummins diesel engine. It's a big inline six diesel engine that offers near semi-truck-like hauling ability and semi-truck feels. If you're one of those little kids like me who is drawing pictures of semi-trucks, dreaming of growing up and becoming a trucker, obviously I didn't, but that little kid of you can get behind the wheel of one of these Rams with that inline six diesel engine, towing a fifth wheel trailer, and you can pretend a little bit that you're one of those big rig truckers. This is a nice looking example of the night package with some extra visual pizzazz. This has a shorter bed, spray and bedliner, nice side steps, nice spacious interior. 30, 40 years ago, pickup trucks were pretty simple, but now they've turned into almost luxury-like family haulers. You can also flip up the seats. We have these storage shelves, which can hold, I think, like up to 500 pounds. So if there's stuff that you want exposed if there's stuff you don't want exposed to the elements or theft in the bed, you can put it back here. And with the seats folded up back here, it's actually a pretty large storage area. If you read some automotive press reviews about the heavy-duty version of the Rams, it gets high grades for its ride. They think it's the best on the market, at least for 2022 model year, compared to the competition. And it gets high grades for the interior design. Obviously, this is not a fully loaded version of the Ram. It's kind of a mid-range bighorn, but it has a nice cloth interior. Obviously, this is not the fully loaded Ram. It's kind of like the mid-range bighorn, but nice interior, high-quality plastics, very well done. The full drive system's easy to use. You have these push buttons right here, integrated trailer brake controller, of course, USB and USB-C connectivity and charging. Nice leather up steering wheel, nice easy to read inline gauges, a little LCD screen in the middle. We have a copy of the original build sheet on this one. This one has a night edition. That was $2,895, giving you painted front bumper, painted rear bumper, upgraded 20-inch black wheels, black interior accents, Park Sense front and rear park assist system. Then we have the Level A equipment group, $1,670, giving you second row in-floor storage bins, and 8-way power adjustable driver's seat. Anti-spin rear differential, $495. And then of course, upgrading to the 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine is $9,400. You can also get like an awesome 6.4 liter Hemi V8, but obviously if you're gonna tow, nothing beats that diesel engine. And then I forgot to show you those storage bins. They're hiding underneath the floor mats. Pretty cool idea on Ram's part. I haven't seen any other manufacturers offer a feature like this, but yeah, if we pull up these floor mats over here, and it's kind of out in the open. If you left your car unlocked, I don't think most people would actually even know these things were here if you had the floor mats in place, but you open that up, that's a sizable little storage area. Well, thanks for joining me on this walk around of this beautiful 2022 Ram 2500 Night Edition, one awesome pickup truck. Obviously, we like the F-Series Super Duty a lot here at Way Scarff Ford, but the Ram's pretty nice too. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus. We've been in business 103 years. Probably serving the greater Seattle Tacoma area, located in Auburn. And of course we sell a wide variety of premium vehicles like this Ram. We actually have like 4 Rams in stock right now. Great selection of new and pre-owned pickup trucks. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.